Good morning, everybody. Here to wash out another tie-dye. Had to fit y'all on the tripod. Can't do this all with one hand. Outside with the cool water, just want to get the majority of the dye that's sitting on the surface and whatnot. Want to get that off. I think when I start doing these, I'm going to start laying them face down to twist them so that the side that is the most pronounced, like this, is the front instead. And then dyeing them, you know, flipping them over and then dyeing this side first. It's because this side's flat on the table that it comes out so precise like that. Might have to start doing that in the future. Water's starting to run more clear. I think we're about to carry it on inside and start to unband it. Alrighty, to the inside. Let's start to get it unbanded. Swap on over to the hot water. Time to get it unbanded. Ooh, look at all that beautiful color in there. That's nice, and a good amount of white left, just the right amount. That looks nice. Alrighty, water's good and clear. Let's see what we got. Woo! Look at that. Wow, okay, that came out good. Look at those sleeves. Man, that looks pretty nice. Pretty nice. I hate that shirt had black stuff on it before I dyed it. Not bad though. And here's the final result. Check that out. Wow. Okay. That came out pretty good, if I do say so myself. Awesome pastel spiral. Good gradient, good definition on all the striation on there. Oh yeah. Perfect, perfect. Good little scrunch on the very edge of the sleeve, just like I like. Look at that. Good amount of white still left, which is what I wanted since it is a pastel. I like to leave a little white on those. Look at that, made some nice purples. And a beautiful, beautiful green. Look at that green. Wow. Not bad for only 3 colors of dye. Look at that. It does have that little spot on it, but that spot was on this shirt before I started dyeing it. So I just wanted to make something for me to be able to tie-dye in. So this one's personal. Not gonna sell it, but if you like it, I can make you one just like it. Let us know what you think in the comments below and what you'd like to see us try to do next. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We'll see y'all tomorrow.